masculine, feminine, male, female, landlord, landlady, landlord, landlady, gentleman, lady, fiancé, 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 actor, actress, heir, heiress, heir, heiress, host, hostess, master, mistress, hunter, huntress, king, queen, lad, lass, bachelor, spinster, maidservant, 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 bridegroom, bride, hero, heroine, milkman, milkmaid, millionaire, millionaires, millionaire, millionaires, monitor, monitress, monk, nun, Mr., Mrs., murder, murderess, negro, negress, negro, negress, nephew, niece, poet, poetess, policeman, policewoman, postman, postwoman, prince, princess, proprietor, proprietress, shepherd, shepherdess, tiger, tigress, stallion, mare, stag, hind, sparrow, hen sparrow, pigeon, hen pigeon, ram, ewe, ewe, peacock, peahen, lion, lioness, leopard, leopardess, goat, billy goat, he goat, nanny goat, she goat, fox, vixen, elephant, cow elephant, eagle, eagle, drone, bee, donkey, Jenny, dog, bitch, rooster, hen, tomcat, tabby cat, bull, cow. That's all for now. Thanks for being with the A.